and deep. I set my eyes in real life. I'm dreaming about me. If only I had bought the lunch my mom asked me to pack. I had a tuna sandwich and a candy bar for snack. I left it on the table. Now my cat has had a treat. But I left it so far away without a thing to eat. No matter what I do, I never think of food. My tummy and my brain is like the two of how become connected food. Well, I could eat a pizza with a glass of chocolate milk, or sibling melted hot dogs that have just come off the grill. I even settled for a macaroni casserole. Oh, please, I've got to stop my brain before I lose control. I'm dreaming about hamburgers, lots of crispy fries, and chocolate donuts seem to just go floating right on by. I can't believe I'm running. It's become such a big deal. It's only been a day or less since I had my last meal. No matter what I do, I seem to think of food. My tummy and my brain are like the two of how become connected food. I'm really gonna try to get this off my mind. There must be something else that I can do. But when my tummy calls, I just can't think at all. Why can't I seem to concentrate on anything but food? No matter what I do, I seem to think of food. My tummy and my brain are like the two of how become connected food.
I can see that you're all pretty upset about this, but you know that God has a reason for everything that happens.
There's no good reason for this, Colby.
There's always something God wants to teach us, Tyler, if we just stop to listen. First of all, going without dinner and breakfast for one day is not the end of the world. So let's see. What do we have to eat?
I still have a candy bar. I have a cookie left over from lunch. Yeah, and I have a whole box full of hot cocoa. There's a box of apples my mom sent up from our tree. There's lots of those.
Well, that's not too bad. Let's make a campfire and roast some apples and make some hot cocoa. And then we'll spend some time with the Lord.
Wow, Colby, this hot chocolate's really good. I'm still kind of hungry, but at least I'm not starving anymore.
Yeah. You know, there's an important lesson to be learned through all of this.
Yeah, don't leave the food on the bus.
Yeah.
Well, that's not exactly what I had in mind. Remember earlier we were talking about God being our strength?
Like when we're sad? Or when we're afraid?
Right. Sometimes when we're feeling those things, we get so caught up in our feelings that we forget that God is in charge. And it's important to learn to battle our fears.
Well, what do you mean, Colby?
Well, for instance, you're afraid of the dark, right, Rachel?
Yeah, I saw this movie where monsters came out of the dark. And now I'm afraid that there are monsters everywhere.
Yes. So now you have to learn to fight those fears, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Back in the Old Testament, the Israelites had to fight a lot of battles against all sorts of enemies. So they had to depend on the strength of the Lord to get them through those battles. Then they did something very interesting. They would go forth into battle, and they would put their singers right in the very front.
Why would they put their singers in the front, Colby? Won't they get clobbered? Yeah.
That's where the power of the Lord came in, Matt. As the singers sang praises to the Lord, the other army saw the strength of God in His people, and they were afraid of that strength. And so they turned around and ran away.
Wow, you mean praising the Lord gave the Israelites strength?
That's right, Saxon. It gave them the strength they needed to win the battle.
Wow.
So, think that applies to you right here?
Well, if I sing praises to the Lord, I won't be so scared that something's going to happen to my parents.
And God will give you the strength to learn to trust Him for your parents' safety.
And if I sing praises with my whole heart, the Lord will help me not to be afraid of the dark.
Exactly.
Worries from day to day, how heavy on my soul they weigh. Fear I can't carry them alone. My heart is aching in distress. I cry out through this wilderness. Lord, I need for you to take control. God is my refuge and strength. A very present help in my trouble. Therefore I shall not fear when trials come my way. God is my refuge and Now my shadows follow me. I need your light to set me free. Fears that harden deep inside. You're always just a breath away. I feel your presence here each day. In your love, I know I can abide. God is my refuge and strength. But every present help in my trouble. Therefore I shall not fear when trials come my way. For God is my refuge and strength. Without Him I falter and feel so all alone. And the darkness closes in upon His praise. So beside my every weakness, the being strongest strong. With Him my doubts and fears just run away. Oh, God is my refuge and strength. A very present help in my trouble. Therefore I shall not fear when trials come my way. For God is my refuge and strength. God is my refuge and strength. A very present help in my trouble. Therefore I shall not fear when trials come my way. For God is my refuge and strength. You know that God is my refuge. I'm very strong. God is my refuge and strength. I really do feel better, Colby. Me too. Everything's going to be all right. I just know it. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Me too.